Volvo XC702.4 D5 Haldex pump replacement. First, remove the DIM module. Unscrew the 4 bolts on the pump. 2 hold the pump cover and 2 hold the pump itself. Next, you need to remove the pump. In my case, it was seized up quite badly, so I had to use 2 screwdrivers as levers. I tested the pump with a battery, but it showed no sign of life and smelled like burnt wiring. That's why I bought a new pump. Next step is to remove the filter. It took me 2 hours to remove the second screw. After removing the metal cover, you'll see a plastic cap. Use a pair of pliers to pull it out by the tab. I inserted the new filter and screwed the cap back on. I ground it down with a grinder, taking the idea from the Volvo's AWD video. Perfect fitment. Installed back the DIM module. After that, I unscrewed the fill plug and injected the oil using a syringe. After that, you need to drive the car, park it on level ground, top up the oil until it overflows, and then extract 40 milliliters of it. Thanks for watching.